Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So in this video we'll join another free mining project which is named by Solix Deepin, and I've already shared a lot of information about this project in my Telegram channel. I'll drop my Telegram channel link in the description of this video. So here you can see the project funding has already been raised by $29.5 million, and you can join this project from a PC and also if you have a simple mobile phone. Okay, so an airdrop reward is 100% confirmed because their point system is live, which means they will airdrop definitely. Okay, so the required links are in my Telegram channel. So here's how you can join their project. Just head to my Telegram channel and copy this link. Okay, so click on it and copy. Okay, then head to Mrs. browser and paste the link here. Then you will see an interface like this. Okay, so then you will see an interface like this. So here you just have to click on start mining. Once you click on it, then a page will appear like this. So you just have to click on register button here. Okay, so just tap on it, then an interface will appear like this. So first you have to type your Gmail here, then a strong password, again confirm the password, and I'll drop a referral code here which you have to enter. And so here you have to paste a referral code which will give you some points and a booster. Okay, so just paste it here and check mark these, then simply click on verify button. Okay, so simply click on verify human, then it will check mark also. So then simply click on continue. After doing register, you will see an interface like this. So here you have to just simply add their same Gmail here and type that password. Okay, so I'll just do these steps and we'll continue video forward. So after login, you will see an interface like this. Here you will see your referral code, and if you invite someone with this referral code, then you will get some points also. And also follow them on X and join their Discord channel. So next step is that you have to click on extension button here. Simply click on it and go to extension. Okay, then we have to add their extension in our browser. Simply click on web store and just have to type here Solix. Okay, once you type Solix, then simply click on it, then you will get this extension button, and simply click on it. And I have already added this in my browser. So here you will see remove from Chrome when you add this extension in your browser. Okay, just after adding this in your browser, simply click on extension button here, then select Solix here. Okay, just click on it, and we have to log in with the same Gmail and password. Okay, then your mining will start here, and don't close the tab. Okay, just leave it like this and your points will start mining. And the more points you have, the more Solix tokens you will get, and the more profit you will gain from this project. Okay, so that's it for now. I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, take care, stay safe.